Hey viewers, I've had some equipment failures today. This is going to go straight in the skip pit to landfill, so I wrote that. Because yeah, she kind of nearly electrocuted someone, so I've already had taken the covers off. So I've found full of mouse crap, but here water's actually dripped, was quite easily able to drip right into the electrical connectors. So the mains lead comes in through here, plugs in here, and look at that, water just sits in there like you won't believe. That's the thermostat, not adjustable. So I should have another one of those I can replace it with from one of the old fridges we scrapped. So that's the only thing that's let it down, bloody water through it. You can see all the mouse crap and everything in there. It's got a Matsushita Panasonic compressor in there. Yep, still made in Singapore. Cool. Might give this thing a clean up and inspect all the electrical connections in there. This thing might be a repair job. Nice little water cooler for home. Yep, mice have been here. It's obviously a Chinese made unit. Shoot half of that off, that's lost half of its cooling efficiency right there, so it's not going to retain its cold when it's had moisture on at the end of it. And the top of it. Yeah, little bastards. Got nice little connectors, eh? Water goes in there, comes out here. Mains pressure goes up in there, goes inside there, comes out of there, comes out of that one. These taps are useful, might keep those. Everything's there. Alright, let's take this, start cleaning it up and do some tests with the multimeter. See if I can replace this bloody thermostat here. Yeah. Water's gotten right into that contact right there. Air compressor's alright, I kind of chopped it a bit there. Hopefully there's no damage under the compressor. Alright, let's do some tests. The switch is a bit burnt, but I might just rip it off, inspect it. If it turns on, it doesn't, it doesn't. Just temporarily bypass that, and if the compressor works and the fan works fine, and it cools, I got a good little refrigeration circuit here. Anyway, also died, yeah, another electrical item that's died on us. Thermostat stopped working, so it's not worth fixing. So I got a little bit of an idea with this. I got a fair idea how these things work. If I can remember correctly, they have two 120 volt heating elements, one in there and one in there, both in series across the 240 volt line. You can guess what's going to happen to this. Turns out the only modification I've got to do is line that hole up with there, drill a hole in that, and whack in this brand new Danfoss one. Perfect. This came out of the other fridge, my old Bear made an esky out of it. It's our old Kelvinator. The other compressor out of that fridge, you've already seen videos on that. That's the same compressor from the fridge that this came out of. That compressor I use to pop some bottles. So, active in here, or better yet in here, because it's a bigger contact, and neutral, and earth on the body, that's it. That's the non-adjustable one, you have to take this off to adjust it, but I'll drill a hole in that, I'll just allow that to protrude through, and adjust it, have an adjustable Jinx cooler. Yeah, I've got some rewiring there, but nothing that's too hard to fix. I'll have to clean everything out though, let it all dry out. I'll just get my multimeter on everything and test it. I have a feeling this thing's going to be okay. It's going to work fine. And look what we have here, a dead mouse. Yeah, it's been there a while. A little skeleton. Yeah, it's been there a while. Let's get this mess cleaned up first, and I'll get my multimeter on everything. Test and test and test. All looks good. This is going to go in. I just gave it a good hit with a fresh wash on some soap. Because oh boy, the second I open this thing up, all smell break loose. Big time. It reeked. It's only a generic, what's the brand of that thing? Foreman Tong Bao. It's co-limited, sort of Chinese unit. RIHS compliant. Oh, Fogman Tong Bao, co-limited. Oh well. Now look at that. The bloody earth connector's got plastic all over it. They plugged the earth lug on, but they left the plastic all over it, so it probably wasn't getting a very good connection to earth to begin with. Bloody buggers. This thing was poorly earthed from the factory when it was made. Naughty. Yeah. LG refrigerators are recalled due to a little thing like this. The plastic wasn't removed off the middle. When I plugged the earth on, there was still plastic on the connector, and the earth wasn't making a contact. And the refrigerators would zap people. So, yeah, I'm going to have to do some redesigning of this. I'll do some tests first. I'm pretty sure the compressor and the fan motor should be okay. That's pretty much all that failed. So, we'll test the compressor and the fan. If they come up good, once everything dries, give them a test. They come up good, we can install this new thermal thermostat here, defrost thingy. Yeah, it's stuck on flat out permanently. Yeah, inferior quality, and they put it where it's likely to get wet so the product can fail sooner than you expect. Then again, this bloody thing was always getting wet all the time, 24/7. So basically, it was in a pretty wet area. So that's yeah. Anyway, it would have lasted a hell of a lot longer. But I'm gonna redesign that. That's for sure. Not a good idea having plastic over your earth connectors. Very naughty idea. I've undone the bottom screw off this thing. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, pretty simple in here. Nice proper rated wiring. Some generic brand there. Crown, SUP. Yeah, what's up? Yep, just as I expected. 120 volt, 1100 watt elements in series. It's a 2200 watt appliance. Yep, definitely in series there. Made in China to Sunbeam's exact specifications. This is going to be EOL'd to the viewer's exact specifications. Tested and shagged, so to speak. Let's take this off. Oh, I think it might be here at the top half, a little thermostat. No, it's not here. Looks like the top half might contain a thermostat, because where the neons are, they'll be on, red light's on, and the green light comes on when the thing's ready. Heated up. So I'll be putting that back there. And now, find out how this top half comes off. We can do some modifications of this thing. Yep, top half's off. The two side pins come out, and they just allow this to come out. There's my suspect component, the cutout, which is not closing contact no more. I say a date, 9th 2007. Date of this top element moulding assembly. 2004. That was what, 2007? This is 2004. That's from 2007. Hang on, no, that was 2005, I think. Yeah, this thing's from all over the shop. Just different stock when they just slapped it together. Nice protective spring there. Nice little neons. I'll keep those. So I'll bypass that and wire these two in series across. Sorry, the series are parallel. And there's both 120 volt elements will be getting 240 volts. Hoo ha ha! I'm gonna save this one for the weekend. So if I get a chance, it's going to be a really good EOL for this sandwich press. I'm blowing Mirabella halogen bulb molded to the glass in there. I'm going to put a bit of insulation between these connections, lots of hot glue, and it's going to meet the ZVS. See if we can get an arc in there. Okay, all hot glued's all cured, all hot glued there. I've got a barrier here to stop any possible arc from bridging across through the glue to these contacts. So let's see if this actually works. We can get an arc in there, hopefully. It worked last time. The last time I popped the arc through it with the NST and it worked. So let's hopefully it's going to work with the ZVS here. Well, let's see if I get anything. Hopefully. Yay! Cool. ZVS arc and a light bulb. My installation method worked quite well. Better shot of that if I can before things get too carried away. Oh, look at that, pretty. Put my safety glasses on in case this thing goes pop. Alright, hang on. Try and reposition this thing. Vertical is probably best so I can get a Jacob's ladder effect in there. Let's see if this works. Okay, bulb is now vertical. Oh, that's better. Oh, nice purple arc at the bottom. And because it's a vacuum in that bulb, it's plasma-y. You might be able to see much, hang on. This is a camera off the tripod type video here. There we go, all zoomed out, where did it go? There we are, plasma. It's getting red hot and it's getting the right purpley arc in there. I wanted the arc in that little halogen bit there, it's not doing it anymore. What's that? That one there is the cathode's getting hotter there. The anode's the other one. Oh look, sparkling in a bulb. Look at sparkles in a light bulb. Yeah, the camera's not going to pick it up very good. Alright, reset. Back to how it was, back on the tripod. Okay, let's reconnect. There's something with a magnet on it, a little magnet, so I can just move the arc around. No, it's not moving in there anymore. I'm not getting the arc inside that halogen bit anymore. Capacitor. That's alright. MOSFETs are barely warm. Everything else is okay. Yeah, it looks better in real life. There we are, a ZVS arc and a light bulb. Disconnect. And a flyback's okay. Give it a touch. Filament, arc through that filament if I can. Let's see, I need something to hold it up. I need something to prop the bulb up. There we go, try that. Reconnect. No Jacob's ladder. Yeah, there's no air in there. Because it's a vacuum, there's no air to rise from the heat to make it climb. Oh, where the filament is. Get that to connect. No, won't do it. No, it's gone. Won't do it now. Yeah, that's all I was going to do. That's enough for today, viewers. Thanks for watching.